Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Vanessa and this is Nessacxbeauty. Today's video is going to be on April 2019's Tribe Box, and for those of y'all who don't know what Tribe Box is, it's a bi-monthly subscription box for makeup that retails for $34.95 plus shipping and handling. So you pay $35.95 every 2 months and you get a Tribe Box every 2 months. So that is the deal with this. It's also focused on indie brands, which is so cool. And the way that I received this box, still mind boggles me. I've been thinking about it all week. So I went to BeautyCon this weekend and I met the CEO of Tribe Box there. So she literally pulled it out and was like, oh, I have an extra box. And then she gifted it to me. And I was just like, are you serious? And then she was like, yeah, I'm serious. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna unbox this on my channel. Other things that we spoke about was the meaning behind Tribe Box. So how she was explaining it to me was really beautiful. I wish that I could say it in her words, but I can't. But the gist is that she wants to focus on small brands and small brand owners. So she was like, oh, I want to focus on the single mother who's working her butt off to get her brand off of the ground, and I want to bring exposure to that. So the way that she was talking about it was that she will include big brands in here to reel customers in, but then surprise everybody with lesser known brands. And I thought that business construct is so beautiful because you're reeling people in with things like Beauty Blender, but then you're also showing off different brands that people might not know about. So if you want to see my unboxing for this month, just continue watching. I'll have the try-on time-stamped in this video somewhere. So if you guys are only interested in the try-on because you already know what's in the box, you can skip on over to the try-on so you don't have to go through me taking out all the products. So the first thing in this box is the Beauty Blender, and this retails for $20. It's in the Tiffany blue shade, which is so cute. And already the biggest plus because Beauty Blenders, I go through them like crazy. The second thing in this box is the Bella Pierre lip kit, and this is how it looks on the inside. This retails for $50, y'all. What? That's over the price of this box, and that's crazy. And I've never heard of this brand, so it's cool that I'm getting exposure to this brand, even though it's pretty expensive, y'all. Pretty expensive. And then for lip kits, I know some people don't like them, but I personally do. I use my Anastasia one when I'm not filming, so I think that this one would be a good addition for my everyday makeup. The next product is from The Balm, and it is the Sexy Mama Anti-Shine Translucent Powder. That's a long name, but this is how it looks, and it retails for $20. Now, The Balm is a drugstore brand, but it is more on the pricey side, so I don't usually buy their items. So I'm happy that I get to try out more of The Balm products through Tribe Box. The next item is also from The Balm, and this has the highlighter, the blushish kind of vibe, and the bronzer. This retails for $28, so like I said, The Balm is a more expensive drugstore brand. The last product in this box is the Rodale Glam Brow in Ash Brown, and I'm excited because I am one of those people who can never have enough brow pencils, so. And this retails for $26. So the total retail value of this box is $144. And before I get into the try-on, I just wanted to mention that my friend Crystal Ryan is giving away a Tribe Box on her channel. It's this exact box. So if you are interested in that, please check out her channel and enter her giveaway for this box. But now I'm just going to go into the try-on. So the first product from this box that I'm going to be using is the Rodale Glam Brow in Dark Ash Brown. And this models the same way as the Anastasia Brow Wiz and the NYX Brow Pencil. So that's how it looks. Let's see how it performs. So I think it performed pretty well. Very comparable to both of the eye pencils that I mentioned before. And I think the shade matches my hair really well too. So next I'm gonna just throw on some foundation, but I'm not gonna be using this one. I'm gonna be using my black beauty blender. I'm gonna have this one as a backup. Having a beauty blender in this box is definitely a plus because I switched these out so much. I think the beauty blender is my most repurchased at Sephora. So having this saves me 20 bucks. Next up is the product that I'm actually most excited for, and it is the translucent powder. This is the Real Techniques setting brush. So I do see a little bit of brightening on my under eye, and it definitely is translucent. Even though it doesn't look like it is. It looks like a color, but it definitely comes on translucent. I'm gonna set the rest of my face, and then I'm gonna go in with the luminizers. Here are the luminizers, and the only one that I have tried was the highlighter. So this is Mary Luminizer, but I'm gonna go in with Betty Luminizer and my contour brush. This is a bronzer, not necessarily for contouring, but who cares about rules? Okay, so I think that bronzer performed pretty nice on my skin color. The only issue that I could possibly see is that if you're a darker complexion than me, maybe that wouldn't act as a bronzer for yourself. But even if that is the case, you could possibly use these as eyeshadows. Next, I'm going into Cindy, and I'm using that one as a blush. So that is a nice light blush. And again, you could possibly use this as an eyeshadow. The last one, Mary Lou, I have tried her before, so I'm excited to dig into her again because this is one of my forgotten highlighters, and it used to be like the highlighter a few years back. I'm going in with my Luxie tapered highlighting brush. I'm also putting Mary on my inner corners. So I can definitely see why this used to be the highlighter. If you guys remember that time on YouTube where Mary Luminizer was let me know down below because I remember that time. Lastly, I'm going in to the Bella Pierre lip palette, and I think I want to go in with the shade Envy, which is right here. This, okay, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks really creamy, and it picks up on the brush like nothing. So another thing that I'm gonna just mention right now is that I have the Anastasia lip palette, and it's pretty hard to pick up on the brush, so that is an automatic difference that I have spotted within these palettes. I think I really like the shade Envy. I can't see myself using the pinks, but I can definitely see myself mixing the pinks with darker shades and creating other shades. So I'm just going to bring out the Anastasia one, and this is how they compare. I think it's a really good addition just because I have shades in here that I don't have in here, and this gets me really excited because I love mixing lip shades. I don't do it in my videos much because it's a lot of work, but yes, I'm excited. So this is the finished look using April 2019's Tribe Box. And I think most of these items were a hit for me, minus this powder. I don't know if you guys can see how dry my under eyes look, but I will still keep trying it out. Another thing that I wanted to mention was that my friend Crystal Ryan is actually giving away a April 2019 Tribe box. So her giveaway video will be linked up in the cards. Her channel and giveaway video will be linked down below. And be sure to enter that if this box piques your interest. But lastly, thank you, Bili. And thank all of you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys like what y'all see. And have a great day or night wherever you are in the world. I hope to see you guys soon. Bye-bye.